Good afternoon, everybody. It is once again Ted the Speed Learner, and this is Common Core Algebra 2 Part 2, and I'm going to make this pretty brief, okay? Now, as I was explaining in the other video, these are brackets, these are parentheses, these are braces, all of these are mathematical notation. This is the limit here. I was explaining this in a previous video, and I'll go ahead and erase this. Alright, now as I was trying to explain in my previous video, if you have the number 5 and you try to divide it with the absence of value, remember I told you that 0 is the absence of value? Well, you're going to get a funky non-number. Now sometimes they call these funky non-numbers imaginary numbers. That's what this letter I actually represents. This is also a mathematical notation right here. I always represents imaginary numbers. But anyway, when you have a limit, what you're saying is that as 4 approaches 0, what that means is that you toss 4 into your equation, you get an answer that's just fine. You toss 3 in your equation, you get an answer that's just fine. As soon as you toss the number 0 into an equation, the number is not fine anymore. You get some funky number. You might call it imaginary, but usually you just call it, well, that's a number that cannot be found. It's that simple. And that's what I was talking about in my previous video. You just learned a brand new term there, which is imaginary numbers. Anyway, like I said, this video is going to be kind of short and sweet. I will tell you more in a future video, so I want you to stay tuned.